So how to buy the Helium10 set of tools and software at the best price possible so you'll be able to save money? Well, down in the description of the video, you're going to find a special link that will lead you to this landing page where you will be able to find the best Helium10 discounts and coupon codes so you can save big. As well, you'll be able to get a free account and free trial of Helium10 to try it out with the same link. Now, what are the options with the codes? So the first one is VOVA6M20, VOVA6M20. This code will help you save 20% off for 6 months of Helium10. The second code is VOVA10, VOVA10. This one helps you save 10% off every month, recurring forever. I actually recommend you the second code because long term, you'll be able to save more money. Now, this link is an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with Helium10, I'm going to get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. But in this way, you can support my free content. It's great to meet you. My name is Vova Evan. I'm a seller on Amazon since 2016. I'm still actively selling. So if you want to check the prices of Helium10, in the description, you're going to find the pricing page. You have starter, platinum, and diamond. Of course, you can use the codes here. You can apply them, and you'll be able to save money by using them here. You can pay monthly per Helium10 or annually. Annual, you'll be able to save even more money. And if you want to understand how to buy it and how to upgrade your account, when you're going to be inside your free Helium10 account with your free trial, simply click on upgrade or click here on the drop-down menu on the right upper side, then click on plans and billing. This will lead you to this landing page where you will be able to again input the codes. You can again input the code VOVA10 or the other one, VOVA6M20. I do recommend VOVA10 actually, as I mentioned previously. And then simply click on subscribe and you'll be subscribed to the plan with a special discount so you can save big. Also for you, I have a playlist with over 230 videos that show you how to use different parts of Helium10. So there are over 3,600 views to that playlist. So hopefully you'll be able to benefit from watching those videos. Also, you can simply go to my channel and then on the channel, use the kind of magnifying glass and type in Helium10 and you'll be able to find all my tutorials and playlists connected to Helium10 so you can make the most out of it for your Amazon business if you're a beginner or even if you're a more advanced seller on Amazon. So again, how to buy Helium10 with the best price. In the description, check out this landing page. It's the first link. You'll be able to get the best discounts, free trial, free account of Helium10. Enjoy, and I'm wishing you a great life. Let's go. Thank you.